Hey guys, Treasury yields are up. The jobless reports indicate like a strong workforce, strong economy for people who are looking for jobs. That was bad for stocks this morning. Indicates a protracted interest rate environment that's not going to be great for the stock market. And the result was we had a big move lower in the indices. So let's take a look at the strategy this morning. It's been primarily on the scalp side of the market. Got some swings out there too, looking for a move back up into the range, but I think that sort of digging into the chart is going to make sense of it all. All right, let's see what my strategy looks like going into the afternoon. Here it is. We have got the market. So this is our market view of the triple Qs, right, which we use as our barometer. So we are down this morning in between first and second support. That's got us in a trading range. The trading range has been basically up into here, down here, up here, right? And now we're back down into the bottom of the range here. And what we're looking for with, as I said, with the scalps has been trading that has confluence with this zone right here. So when we get back up into the upper 2 standard deviation volatility band and also then into this session VWAP, and into sort of this anchored VWAP and this anchored VWAP, right? Everything is overlapping. So we've got lots and lots of stuff, volume by price. Everything right there says that's going to be a good place to anticipate that price is going to continue to be boxed up. I've got a higher level order sitting on the futures, on the N futures symbol now would be NQZ23. That is up here. And that was really in anticipation of a move from here up to here that would drag us down to here. We didn't get the strength. We didn't get the pop back up into 1.51. So 361.51 didn't happen again. So right now we're down in the lower part of the range, and I'm going to reevaluate as the session goes on whether or not I want to change that futures trade to include something that moves back up into here or possibly into here. From down lower. Right now, the reward to risk on that, the way that we've got those boxed up, needs to be like a 1.5 to 1 reward to risk in order to put the position on as a longer intraday swing trade kind of a setup. And, that was definitely here on a short that would come down out of here because our stop was just up into that first support level, that floor trader pivot there. If it hit that, got through that, then you could assume it was going to shoot higher and close up the gap. But we didn't get that move back up into 361.51. So now, right, trading it down here, if we're taking these little pops and, trying to short these back down into here on the triple Qs, then, on the QQQ, we can easily put a stop right here, and it's a decent reward to risk ratio. On the futures, if it shoots higher, it's very likely that it will just leg right over us and wind up in here or up in here, and that reward ratio would be upside down. So, with all that said, I think that, NAS in general is probably coming in. It's going to, retest this low today. I think it already has. And I think we could see a retest of that August low before too long here. And, maybe see a move on a weekly chart that goes ahead and violates this level of support. So all of that stuff is in place. Got some good price action on the downside if it happens. I'm just going to keep vigilant today and look to fire off trades that are making sense to me at these lines. Key for me is you got to take them all. If you don't take them all, you'll wind up only taking 1 or 2 of them, and that takes the odds and puts them sort of not in your favor because you don't, you wind up taking later trades, not earlier trades, and the later trades are the ones that wind up, generally speaking, with the propensity to stop you out. All right, so that is it for today. I hope everybody's having a good trading day so far. If something changes, if we get some sort of a radical shift over the course of the session here, then I will check back in again. All I can think is, if the market recovers and starts moving higher and we get that trend move to the upside, then we're going to want to look for inflections on those support levels that we established and possibly have entries that take us higher and try to get into that 4.50 level from yesterday's closing range. Okay, so have a great day. If you have questions, shoot me an email, send me a text. You guys know the drill. And I will check in with everybody again tomorrow.